Once you download your data and save it as a file on your computer, the next step typically involves putting them into a data structure so that you can have access to each unit of data. For example, the reputation.rev file consists of rows of records. Each row contains reputation information tied to a unique IP and consists of data items such as IP, reliability, risk, type, country, and locale. The reputation.rev file has 258,626 such records. Our job here is to use Python to read each record and isolate the data items in the records so that they are at our fingertips whenever we need them. This process of reading in the data in the context of programming is called parsing. How do we accomplish the task of parsing our data in Python? Python features powerful libraries, making it straightforward to parse data. In this example, we're using a library called pandas designed to facilitate data manipulation and analysis. Therefore, the first step is to import the pandas library to use it. Here is pandas website in case you're interested.